अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू बाइक माई ठीक है जनमन। आज हमारे साथ कुछ गेस्ट्स हैं। ये आए हैं मलेशिया से। मैं गुज़र रहा था, रास्ते में मुलाकात होगी मेरी इनसे। तो काफ़ी बड़े बड़े मोटरसाइकिल्स पे ये आए हुए हैं। तो मैं आपको डेफिनेटली मोटरसाइकिल्स की भी तफसील बताऊंगा और मैं चाहूँगा कि आप भी इनसे मिलें, क्योंकि ये अभी इंडिया से होके आए हैं और उससे पहले भी ये बाय रोड आए हैं एक्चुअली। तो वाघा बॉर्डर से इंटर हुए और ये अभी जा रहे हैं नारान की तरफ, और इनसे आगे बात करते हैं और इनसे पूछते हैं इनके आगे क्या प्लान्स है। तो इनके जो ग्रुप लीडर हैं हम उनसे बात करेंगे। बाकी लोगों की अंग्रेज़ी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है तो इस वजह से सिर्फ यही बात करेंगे। और यस, लेट्स गो टू दैम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum salam.
हाउ आर यू सर?
Very good.
वुड यू लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ?
Yes, my name is Ibrahim. These are my friends.
ओके, ही इज
Farid.
मिस्टर
Farid.
फरीद।
Hi, I'm Faisal.
Faisal. So, Mr. Ibrahim, tell me, how's your experience today over here?
So far, it's been very good. The people has been very nice,
Okay.
courteous. Slightly different from across the border people.
Yeah. Okay.
But overall, we've got good experience. People are chatty. They just want to talk to us. They're a very
Okay.
friendly bunch.
All right. So, tell me, how long you been traveling?
Actually, we arrived 12 in Mumbai,
Okay.
and then today is the 23rd.
23rd.
We crossed Pakistan from Wahga border,
Okay.
and then we had the night yesterday in somewhere near Rawalpindi.
Okay.
Today we are heading up to Naran,
Okay.
and then we will travel further up to Hunza, Gilgit, Skardu,
Okay.
Sauce, Kunjara Pass.
All right.
And then we'll make our way down to Lahore and head back to Nepal and then back home.
All right. So, do you travel every year?
Yes, this is our fourth installment.
All right.
We did a lot of Asia,
Okay.
a small bit of Europe, and
Okay.
last year we did South America.
Fantastic. Okay, so would you like to tell us about your bikes that you are using for this? Because this adventure, the whole adventure, it needs very tough and sturdy bikes. So what bikes are you using right now?
We are using the BMWs. For me and Farid, we are using the R1200 GS,
Okay,
and for Faisal, he's using the f800 GS.
okay, so the make is BMW.
Yep.
Alright, so you're happy with it?
Very happy. We've been using it since day one when we start our travels.
Alright, so it is a reliable machine, right?
Almost yes. I wouldn't say it's 100% perfect, but it does the job.
What is the major problem that you face normally in these bikes?
Breakdowns. Major problems are last year in South America. I had a dented rim,
Okay,
and but they had good support in South America, so
okay.
I got a replacement quickly.
Fantastic. So I'm sure you're not gonna get that kind of service over here because we don't have BMW here.
Yes, we are prepared for that.
You're prepared for that.
Yeah.
You have to, because when you're traveling, you never know where you're gonna end up. Like.
But because we are traveling to what people claim the most beautiful place in Asia,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna forget about the reliability.
miseries of the
yeah,
travel.
Yeah, so I'm meeting up and I've got to see for myself.
Fantastic. Okay. So how many people are there in your group?
There's 5 of us. There's another 2. They are shy.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm gonna catch them. No worries.
Yeah.
They're
Please
gonna
do.
be in the video
Please do.
anyway. Okay. So you are 5 people. Okay.
5 of us, yes.
Very nice. So, do you have any message to people of Pakistan and to the other world who's watching you right now?
To the people of Pakistan, thank you very much. You've been very kind to us, very helpful. I've got people calling me, how are you? I mean, how can I help you? Do we need anything and all that? They even offer us to wait somewhere and then bring us, make sure that we are on the right, correct road. And I'm sure we'll be facing similar people along the way.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Farid, how are you?
Fine, I'm fine.
All right. So, what would you say about your travel to Pakistan?
So far, it's been a very good experience.
Okay.
This morning is a very good experience. We stopped by one of the eating place.
Okay.
The guy was very kind. He did not accept any money from us. We wanted to pay, but he refused to accept it.
Very nice.
He said, yeah, he says he just travelers.
Okay.
So that was a very best experience where you cannot get many places like this where people offered you in a restaurant where you don't have to pay anything for your food.
Yeah. That's very nice gesture of him.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mr. Ibrahim, you were saying he's a shy guy. He speaks very good.
Yeah.
He's a confident person. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Farid, how long you been traveling?
Oh, I've been traveling for a very long time, but I started with my bike in 2004
Okay.
across South Asia. Then I met Ibrahim. That's where we start with our long journeys at China, Central Asia, and to South America.
All right.
These are all my buddies that have been traveling for many years together.
All right.
Hardship together. Yeah.
Hardship together.
Okay. How are you, Mr. Faisal?
Yes, I'm good, thank you.
You alright?
Yes.
I hope you are not confused right now. You're not nervous, right?
No.
Not at all. See, Mr. Ibrahim, there's a third guy who's very confident over here. So, Mr. Faisal, when did you start your traveling career?
Yeah, I first bought a bike in 2013 and I've been riding ever since.
Since
It's 2013.
2013, very nice.
I'm using the same bike always. It served me well for the trips.
Oh, so Mr. Faisal, what do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer for airline in Singapore.
Oh, that's nice. A dream job. Yeah. Okay. So, do you get time for traveling
Yeah,
easily or what?
Yeah, it is. I got to apply it way beforehand because I'm taking a long leave just for these trips.
Yeah.
And I got to give and take to do something else just together. Don't leave for this.
All right. Okay. So, Mr. Ibrahim, tell me that how much time do you have to travel from one place to another and go back to your country? How much time? I mean, what is your schedule?
We've done 42 days trip. The most we've done is 52 days.
52 days.
Yeah, that was last year in South America.
Okay.
For this one, we only have about 35 days.
35 days.
And we are only planning to do the Himalayas.
Himalayas only. Okay. Very nice. Okay. And Mr. Farid, you didn't tell us what do you do for a living?
I'm a firefighter.
Firefighter, that's
Yes.
nice. Okay. So, do you get your vacations easily for the traveling or what?
Okay, normally I don't really waste my leave.
Okay.
I really use up my leave, which is very important, and I will take my leave. If not, I really save it for my trip.
That's
Yeah.
nice. Okay. How about you, Mr. Ibrahim? What do you do for a living?
I work for BMW motorcycles.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So you are the correspondent over here. Okay. So you're not gonna say any bad thing about BMW anyway, being employee.
Professionally, no, I should not.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. It was nice meeting you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Cheers.